Have you ever wondered how a weather application gets weather data? Or how a website lets you log in using your Google account? The answer is API. In this video, I will explain what an API is in simple terms and why every developer should understand it. API stands for Application Programming Interface. Think of an API as a waiter in a restaurant. When you go to a restaurant, you don't enter the kitchen and cook your own food. Instead, you give your order to the waiter takes it to the kitchen prepares the food, the waiter brings the food back to you. An API works exactly the same way. Your application sends a request. The API takes that request to the server. The server processes it. The API returns the response. The API acts as a messenger between two systems. Real world example. Let's say you are building a weather application. You don't have the weather data for every city in the world. Instead, your application sends a request to the weather API. For example, give me today's weather of New Year. The weather server processes the request and returns the response in temperature, humidity, wind speed. Your application then displays that information to the user. This way, you don't need to maintain a huge weather database yourself. API example in web development. Let's take a simple example using Express.js. When a user opens /users in GET_request, the browser sends a request to your API. Your server might respond with a JSON array. The frontend receives this data and display it on the screen. This communication between frontend and backend happens through APIs. Why APIs are important? APIs allow different applications to communicate with each other. They help us share data, integrate services, build scalable applications, connect frontend and backend. Popular APIs example: Google Maps API, PayPal API, OpenAI API, Facebook API. So, in simple words, an API is a messenger that allows two applications to communicate and exchange data. If you are learning web development, understanding APIs is one of the most important skills you will need. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.